Okay, so this is how you pass from hold to program to run. That's called following schedule. So you have to correct, press minus until it goes to temporary hold. At that point, you hold this button, you press this button, and you have a permanent hold or a temporary hold. If you leave it on temporary hold and then you wait a few seconds, then he's gonna go back to the schedule that you have programmed before. Few seconds. Really? It worked before. Following schedule. Why it swapped? No, I didn't swap before. Let's try again. So like this, it goes in temporary hold, and then I just press menu, but you should not have to press anything. Well, of course, you should have programmed before. We already did the program before. Oh, you do cancel then. Okay. So you go there, you do cancel. So let's repeat. You put the hold, so it goes to any temperature you want. Like now I want to keep 78. Then you go to menu and you press cancel, and that's gonna go following schedule. That's it. Little complicated.